Okay, so let us begin. We will be starting with the revision part. We will be going ahead with the alkanes ka introduction, students. Also, we will be taking into account all the naming pattern, how to give compounds, how to give common name to the alkanes. So these two parts I'll be covering today. We have done this with the majority of students. As I said, I can see number of students who are attending this session for the first time. So they should not be feeling left out. They should not be feeling that they are deficient with some concepts, certain terms. Therefore, I'll repeat once again. Okay, students. I hope the others who have already attended will be equally participating in this session, and they will be treating this as a very good opportunity to revise everything. All right. So if I start off this session, students, if I start this session, it is totally based on organic chemistry, hydrocarbons. Now, I'm sure all of you must have sat the foundation lectures which I had taken. So which chapter I'm going to start today? I'm going to start with hydrocarbons, students. Hydrocarbons. I'm going to start with hydrocarbons. As soon as I say hydrocarbons, we should understand that these molecules will contain only dash and dash. Who will tell me the answer?
Hydrogen and carbon.
Very good, Akshat. Yes, go ahead, Pooja.
Sir, it will contain one hydrogen and carbon and carbons. Carbon for the methyl
Hydrogens,
and
correct.
carbons for butane, etc.
Correct, very good. So it would be having hydrogens and carbon or carbons. Now, one carbon I'm saying because of methane. So in methane, it will contain only one carbon. Methyl will contain just one carbon. But if I'm talking about the other members of hydrocarbons group, apart from methane, we will have carbons rather than just a carbon. All right, students, is it okay till now? Is this understood? So hydrocarbons are the molecules which would be having hydrogens plus they will be made up of carbon or carbons. Carbon, that is in case of methane, students. In case of methane, we will have just one carbon. Or I'll say carbons. So carbon or carbons. What about carbons? Which of the alkanes or which alkene or which alkyne contains carbons? There are many which would be having carbons. Okay. So all other I would write to it. Others. Okay. Others यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. Okay, students. So we would not be quoting any example over here. हम सीधे बोल देंगे कि others. चलो यहाँ तक बात clear है? Okay, one more request. All of you can please switch on your camera. All of you, can you please switch on your camera so that I can see you? Yes, very good, Pravansh. Others, can you please switch on your camera so that I can see you? I can see your confidence on your face. I can understand if you have got all the concepts from my side. Yes, Adrita, Mansi, Akshat, Sahil, Jyotika, Priyanka Sankhe, Rujuta, Meet Supeda, everyone, students, can you please switch on your cameras? Yes, okay. Okay. As far as possible, please make sure that your cameras are on so that teachers can communicate in a better manner with you. Okay, students? If you're not comfortable, obviously you can switch off your camera, but as far as possible, make sure your camera is on. Okay, chalo, let us begin. Let us go further. Okay, so hydrocarbons. Logically, how would I define hydrocarbons? All the compounds containing hydrogens and carbon or carbons. है ना? जोर से बोलेंगे. Compounds containing hydrogens or carbon. Hydrogens and carbon or carbons. Carbon or carbons. Right, students? Let us go ahead. Have you taken the screenshot? Also, I'm recording this session, so it would be going on the YouTube channel. Catch 25 Science Academy जो YouTube channel है वहां पे ये पूरा का पूरा recording चला जाएगा. So you don't have to worry. अगर आपको ये सारा सेशन वापस से सुनना है सारा लेक्चर तो by evening you will be getting the link. उस लिंक पे जाके you can click and you can watch entire lecture जो अभी हम ले रहे हैं. ठीक है? But still keep on repeating with me. Okay, I like students who keep on repeating on audio. I want my students to keep on repeating on audio, keep on answering me. चैट बॉक्स पे आंसर नहीं देना है. अब आप मेरे साथ लेक्चर में हो, आपको ऑडियो पे धनाधन आंसर्स देना. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ जाता हूं मैं. आई विल गो टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. माय नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज स्टूडेंट्स, my next part is, let me understand classification of hydrocarbons. अगर कोई आपको पूछता है, if anybody will ask you how many types of hydrocarbons do we have, how many types of hydrocarbons do we have in chemistry, you have told me definition of hydrocarbons. I can expect compounds of hydrocarbons, like compounds which are categorized into hydrocarbons. They should have one hydrogen or one carbon, sorry, one carbon, or they may have many carbons, and they should have many hydrogens also, minimum of 4. But what are the classes? How many classes do I have for hydrocarbons? So let me classify hydrocarbons for you students. Okay, let us quickly classify hydrocarbons. So this is how I will start. Okay, hydrocarbons students. I'll first teach you over here and then I'll upload the image also for better understanding. Okay, so hydrocarbons I can classify as, they can be classified as open chain compounds, open chain hydrocarbons, open chain hydrocarbons, or closed ring compounds. So I'll write cyclic hydrocarbons or ring compounds. ठीक है students? Closed or cyclic hydrocarbons or closed ring hydrocarbons. All right. These are the two major categories of hydrocarbons. How do I go ahead? इसके आगे क्या? Okay, students. So let us move ahead. Open chain hydrocarbons are further classified. Open chain hydrocarbons can be further classified as saturated and unsaturated. Saturated and unsaturated. What do I mean by saturated, students? What do I mean by saturated? Anybody?
Single bond.
Devanshi. Very good, Devanshi. Carbon-carbon single bond. If carbon-carbon single bond is present, I will say that the hydrocarbon is saturated. That means, yes, Sahil, very good, very good. That means it is carbon-carbon saturated. The bonds are saturated. Carbon की सारी valency fulfill हो गई हैं. ये देखो ऐसे cases में students. So I'll write over here saturated. It can be saturated, or I can have, wait, I can have saturated hydrocarbons, or I can have unsaturated hydrocarbons. What do I mean by unsaturated hydrocarbons, students? Carbon-carbon
Triple bond.
or triple bond.
Very good, very good. I've already got the message from Akshat.
In
Carbon-carbon double
alpine.
or triple bond. Very good, Sahil. Shabash. Very good. So over here I'll write students, यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ मैं ब्रैकेट में, है ना, यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में फटाफट से लिख देते हैं. चलो, so इसका परफेक्ट एग्जांपल कौन है? इसका परफेक्ट एग्जांपल है alkane students. Let me write C single bond C over here in bracket. So this is what I'll be looking for. अगर C single bond C पूरे कंपाउंड में सिंगल बॉन्ड ही है कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में. स्टूडेंट्स, कार्बन हाइड्रोजन के बीच में नहीं देखना है हमको, कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में खाली देखना. तो अगर कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में सारे बॉन्ड सिंगल ही हैं, तो आई विल से इट इज सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन. नेक्स्ट, अगर कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव डबल बॉन्ड और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड लाइक दिस. अगर मेरे पास डबल बॉन्ड है तो मैं उसको बोल दूंगा अल्कीन. इफ आई हैव ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, okay, if I have triple bond, I will call it as alkyne. I will call it as alkyne. Please check karo students. Did you understand this? Please confirm me. Raise your hand. Let me see. Raise your hand if you have understood, students. Raise your hand, raise your hand, raise your hand, raise your hand. Quickly. Very good. Shabash. Shabash. समझ में आ गई बातें सारी? Very good. Very good. Okay. Let me see how many of you are there. Okay, shabash. Very good. Aryan, are you getting everything? Aryan Sawant, Nidhi Mehta, Srushti, Janitya, Dev Shah, Priyanka Sankhe. Okay. Yes, Aryan Sawant, please confirm me. Drishti, Aniket Pawar. All of you have to be very active students. I hope you have taken the screenshot. So hydrocarbons can be classified as open chain compounds or closed ring compounds. In open chain, I can further classify hydrocarbons as saturated, unsaturated, saturated, unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons के example कौन सा है students? सबसे best open chain में alkanes. And then if I come to unsaturated, the perfect examples are alkene or
Alkene, alkyne.
very good. Alkene or alkynes. Very good. Shabash. Alkene or alkynes. Is this understood up till now, students? Is this clear up till now? Everyone, please confirm me. Is this clear up till now? Is this clear up till now? Should we move ahead? Should we move ahead? आगे चले जाएं students. चलो फटाफट से. Yes, very good, Jyotika. फटाफट से students, let us move ahead and let us see what else do we have. I hope you have taken the screenshot. I am deleting this now. I'm deleting this now, students. So here we go. Now also let me take you just a second, students. Okay, yes. Let me take you to the classification now properly. Okay, we will go into the classification of hydrocarbons and check करते हैं वहां पे कितने कितने classes हैं आपके पास. Yes, here you go. Can you see this on your screen, students? Can you see this chart on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So this is classification of hydrocarbons. How do I classify hydrocarbons over here? As you can see, students, ये देखो यहाँ पे आपको दिखाई दे रहा है hydrocarbons can be classified as open chain hydrocarbons and cyclic hydrocarbons or closed hydrocarbons. Closed hydrocarbons. Okay. Next, open chain hydrocarbons can further be classified as saturated hydrocarbons or unsaturated hydrocarbons. In saturated hydrocarbons, you can add this, students. Alkane can be shown like this: C single bond C. Okay, so I will look for this carbon-carbon single bond. Carbon-carbon single bond. Remember what I have told you, students. You should never be looking at the bonds between carbon and hydrogens because the bond between carbon and hydrogen will always be single. ठीक है, तो उस बॉन्ड को नहीं देखना है. कार्बन कार्बन के बीच में आपको बॉन्ड देखना है. Carbon carbon के बीच में bond can be single bond also, can be double bond also, can be triple bond also. Okay, the bonds between carbon and carbon can be single bond, double bond, or triple bond. Next, over here, if I look into alkene students, so alkene would be something like this: C double bond C. At least one double bond would be present. If I go for alkyne students, if I go for alkynes, so in alkynes case, I will have at least one triple bond, that is carbon carbon triple bond. Is this okay up till now? Is this okay up till now?
Sir.
Yes, very good, very good. Shabash. Let us move ahead. Let us move ahead. Okay, so now for each case I'll be classifying further. If you ask me, suppose मुझे आयुष पूछता है, अगर मुझे आयुष पूछता है, सर alkane, can I divide alkane further? Can I divide alkane further? Like for example, मैंने आपके सारे बैच को डिवाइड करना शुरू किया on the basis of boys and girls, है ना? So boys को further divide कर सकते हैं क्या? Yes, I can divide. How? I can divide boys further on the basis of height, maybe on the basis of weight, on the basis of complexion, है ना? इस तरह से we can further classify. So similarly, alkanes can also be classified further. On which basis, students? Depending on the basis whether they are branched or they are straight chain. They are branched or they are straight chain. Let us see. ये देखो, यहाँ देखो students. I'll delete this and now let's focus over here. ये देखो, we are going to classify further. We are going to classify alkanes further. ये देखो, alkanes can be classified as straight chain alkane or branched chain alkane. Straight chain or branch chain. Okay, now I'll give you one example. You have to tell me whether this is straight chain alkane or branch chain alkane. All of you ready, students? Raise your hand and let me know if you're ready. Raise your hand, let me know if you're ready. Quickly raise your hand. शाबाश, शाबाश, सबके सब रेडी हो? Okay, चलो फटाफट से एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं and let me see if you have understood, students. Okay, let me see if you can identify. Okay, this is my first example. You have to tell me whether this is straight chain or branch chain. So CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3 and CH3. Yes, students.
Branch chain.
Branched chain.
Branch chain.
Branch
Branch
chain.
Very good, very good, very good. Rishika is also me. Okay, it is branched. Okay, very good. So I would like to know, yes, Aryan Sawant. Aryan Sawant. Did you get this, Aryan? Drishti,
Yes,
what about
sir.
you? Very good. Drishti, what about you? Drishti, समझ में आया? खुश बगारिया. Khush Bagaria, what about you? Students, all of you have to
Yes,
reply.
sir.
Okay, very good. Chalo, Khush will explain this. Why this is a branched chain, Khush? Why this is a branched chain? Why this is not a straight chain? Yes, Khush. Tell me on audio. Tell me on audio. Why this is not a straight chain? Why
Sir,
this is a
because
branch?
like I can't explain properly because there's CH3.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, I'll go ahead with Aniket Pawar. Aniket, can you hear me? Aniket, can you hear me? Aniket Pawar. Okay, Priyanka Sankhe. Priyanka
Yes,
Sankhe.
sir.
Yes, Priyanka.
Sir, because when we have to first see the longest chain that we can make, and
Very
in
good.
which we cannot go back. So when we try to make the longest chain, CH3 is not coming in it.
Very good. So if I see which is the longest chain, this would be my longest chain, students, correct? And in this longest chain, if I start traveling from one end to other end, I should be able to count all the carbons without taking a reverse turn. Correct? I should be able to count all the carbons without taking a reverse turn. Should I start, students? ये देखो, check करें इसको, check करते हैं, चलो. So I'll start from this point. Okay, ये carbon से start करता हूँ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Can I come back and count this one also? ऐसे reverse turn लेकर ये वाला भी count कर लूं? चलेगा, students?
No.
No.
Reverse लेकर ये वाली भी count कर लूं? नहीं. Reverse turn तो allowed ही नहीं है, right, students? Reverse is not allowed. Okay, reverse is not allowed, and therefore this is confirm a branched chain. Correct, students? Now I want each one of you to raise your hand if you have understood. Let me see आपको समझ में आया है कि नहीं. Please raise your hand, students. और आपने हाथ नहीं ऊपर किया, it means that आपको नहीं समझा है. So let me see if you have understood or not, students. Let me see if you have understood or not. Yes, if you have understood or not, please raise your hand. Raise your hand, students. Drishti, Aryan, Shrushti, Janetya, Aniket Pawar. You people have to reply me on message if you cannot raise your hand, students. Okay, Janetya. हाँ, okay. Janetya ने हाथ ऊपर कर दिया. Devsha, what about you, Devsha? Sahil, Drishti, Aryan, Aniket Pawar, Sakshi. Students, raise your hand if you have understood. Aniket Pawar, what about you, Aniket? Aryan, Shabash. Drishti ने हाथ ऊपर कर दिया. Shrushti, what about you? Shrushti, please confirm me. Please confirm me, students. Chalo, let us go ahead. So this is branch chain. एक और example दे दूं, students. Are you ready for another example?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for another example?
Yes, sir.
Let us see. इसमें तो कंफर्म आपका मिस्टेक हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इसमें तो कंफर्म मिस्टेक करवा दूंगा. चलो चलो देखते हैं. चलो CH3, CH2, okay, CH2, CH2, then CH3. Tell me, students.
Straight
Send
chain.
your answers.
Branch.
Okay.
Straight.
Okay. Very good.
Branch.
Straight chain.
How many of you say this is branched? Raise your hands, students. How many of you say this is branched? How many of you say this is branched? Raise your hand. Let me see. Raise your hand. How many of you say this is branched? Okay, very good. Adi Purav, Akshat, Rujuta, Simone, Ashwini. Very good. Devsha, Jenny. Okay, count is increasing. Jyotika, Sahil. These many students think that this is a branch chain. Okay, Sam is also there. 12 students. 12. Okay, chalo, chalo. I will give chance to Meet. Meet Supeda, can you please switch on your audio, Meet? Meet, can you please switch on your audio? Meet Supeda. Okay, Dev Shah. Dev.
Yes, sir.
Yes, chalo Dev, batao, batao. Why this is a branch chain? How? Yes, Dev. Wait, Pooja.
1 minute, sir.
Quickly, Dev. Okay, I'll go ahead with Sahil. Sahil,
Yes, sir.
explain me how this is branch, Sahil. कैसे answer मिला?
Sir, because we can't go reverse.
You can't go reverse, correct. If you start from here, Sahil, चलो मैं यहाँ से start करता हूँ, ठीक है? ये वाले कार्ड CH3 से. If I start my journey from here, will I able to count all the carbons without taking a U-turn or reverse? Will I be able to count all the carbons? सारे कार्बन काउंट कर सकता हूँ मैं अगर यहाँ से स्टार्ट करके इस एंड तक चला जाऊं? सारे कार्बन काउंट हो जाएंगे बिना रिटर्न आए, बिना रिवर्स लिए? यस साहिल?
No, sir.
Okay, check करते हैं, चलो let us check. So if I start from right side, I can start from any end by the way, students. ठीक है? किसी भी end से आपको start करना है, and you have to see if you can count, if you can go from one end to the other end without taking reverse. If you can do that, then it will be straight. If you cannot do that, then it will be branched. Okay, students, let us see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सारे कार्बन्स कवर हो गए स्टूडेंट्स? चेक करो. रुजुता, मीत, साहिल, जेनी, प्लीज चेक. आर्यन सावंत, प्रवांश. Yes, I've counted all the carbons and there was no need to take a reverse to count any of the carbons, right students? Mehak, are you understanding, Mehak?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Yes, Drishti, shabash. Very good, Drishti. Very good. Pravansh, I hope you understood the mistake, Pravansh.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Meet Subeda. Meet Subeda, have you understood? Okay. Chalo, chalo students. Adi, I hope you have understood your mistake. Okay, yes. Students. So this is straight chain. This is how you have to identify. This is straight chain. Okay, students. I'll repeat once again. You have to select the two terminals and you have to travel from one terminal to the other. It can be in any direction. Left to right bhi chalega, right to left bhi chalega. You have to travel from one point to the other point without taking a reverse. If you go reverse, if there is a need to go reverse to count any of the carbons, confirm branch. Okay? Okay, students. और examples लेने थोड़े बहुत और examples ले ले. चलो.
Yes, sir.
और examples ले लेते हैं. चलो और examples ले लेते हैं. ठीक है? Let us go for some more examples. So tell me whether this is straight or branch students. CH3, CH2, 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 then CH3, CH and CH3. Chalo, raise your hand. How many of you know the answer? Do not tell me the answer on audio. Don't tell me the answer on audio. Just raise your hand if you know the answer. Just raise your hand if you know the answer, students. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise your hand if you know the answer, students. Very good, very good, very good. Let us go ahead with Adi. Yes, Adi. Adi Purav.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, it is branch chain.
शाबाश. Why it is branched? पहले दो end select कर लेते हैं
Sir,
आदि.
if we start from left side,
Okay.
then we will come at a point where there will be U-turn.
Very good. यहाँ पे
Yeah.
आके रुक जाते हो है ना?
Yes,
Very good.
we have two sides.
Very good. Over here, I have two options now, students. I can, if I go straight, then I'll miss this carbon. Right, students? I'll have to take reverse and come back to it, which is not allowed. And if I go right from this, I'll miss this carbon. Correct, students? I'll miss this one. Is this understood? Is this
Yes, sir.
understood? So ये बहुत अच्छे से बोला आदि ने. आदि ने क्या बोला कि there is one point where you will feel कि there are two options. Left भी जा सकता हूँ, right भी जा सकता हूँ. And जैसे ही ऐसा option आपको आ गया, समझ लो confirm it is a branch. Okay. Next example, Aryan Sawant will solve for me. This is branch chain, students. Next example मेरे लिए Aryan Sawant solve करेगा. Aryan Sawant, all of you will have to raise your hand if you know the answer. Okay, students. All of you will have to raise your hand if you know the answer. चलो. CH3, CH2, then CH2 and CH3. Yes, Aryan Sawant. Please switch on your audio. Aryan, please switch on your audio. Aryan Sawant. Yes, chalo. Chalo, let me know Aryan Sawant.
Straight chain.
It is a straight chain, okay. Reason, tell me reason. How did you identify?
There is no U-turn.
There is no U-turn. If I see students, say very, very important step over here is you should identify the terminals. So first thing which I will do is I will always identify the terminal. This is one terminal and this is the next terminal. We have only two ends. There are only two ends in this molecule. So surely it is straight chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. This is a straight chain. Okay, students. एक और example ले लें. थोड़ा सा मैं अभी complicate कर रहा हूँ. Okay, I'm complicating this a bit now. So CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, C, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Yes, I want Mehak to answer this. Yes, Mehak.
Branch chain.
This is branched. Okay, tell me why.
Because
Where
we
did you
cannot
start your
take all the
journey?
carbon atoms without taking reverse.
शाबाश. Where did you start your journey from, Mehak? कौन से कार्बन से start किया journey? Travel करना.
From left terminal.
Okay, left terminal. Let us start from here, है ना? ठीक है. So I go from here 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पे now I have options. I can take left or I can take right. Whenever I have options, confirm it is branched. Correct, students? So I hope each one of you have got this concept. Is there anybody who has still not understood how to identify straight or branch, students? Is there anybody? Please reply. Please reply immediately. If you have still not understood how to identify straight chain or branch chain, please confirm me, students. If you have still not understood, please confirm me. Please confirm me, students. Raise your hand or you can switch on your audio immediately. Otherwise, lower down your hands. Lower down your hands if you have understood everything up till now. Raise your hand only if you have doubt. Otherwise, आपके हाथ नीचे कर लो. Yes, Sam. अच्छा, okay, okay, very good. So nobody is there with raised hand. So I understand that everybody has got this concept. Okay, very good. Shabash. Chalo. आगे चलते हैं. So similarly, students, I have unsaturated hydrocarbons also, which is alkene and alkyne. Okay, alkene and alkyne. That is carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. Next, I'll move towards the cyclic compound, students. Cyclic पे चलते हैं, ठीक है? What do I mean by cyclic compounds? Cyclic and again they can be saturated, also known as alicyclic or unsaturated. When I say unsaturated, I mean the cyclic compound can have one double bond or one triple bond or two double bonds. Anything can be possible. Okay, students. So if they are unsaturated, they will further be classified as aromatic. and non-aromatic students. ठीक है, सो मैं पहले सैचुरेटेड का एग्जांपल लूंगा एंड देन एरोमेटिक एंड नॉन एरोमेटिक का भी आप एग्जांपल अभी सॉल्व करें. ठीक है, चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स. नहीं, साइक्लोबेंजीन कभी नहीं होगा पूजा. इट विल बी ओनली बेंजीन, इट विल नेवर बी साइक्लोबेंजीन. ओके, चलो. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम सॉल्विंग examples of cyclic hydrocarbons. So in cyclic hydrocarbons, my first example is saturated cyclic hydrocarbons. So saturated but cyclic hydrocarbons. So this is my first structure. Check karo like this. Okay, like this. So now over here I can see, students, I can see how many dots. Check karo, number of dots will give me number of carbons. Okay students, ये देखो मैं क्या करूंगा, let me use green color over here. So this is 1, right students? करेक्ट है. लेट मी राइट ओवर हियर, यहीं पे डायरेक्टली लिख देते हैं तो भी काम हो जाएगा अपना. सो 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. कंसिडर दिस एज जंक्शन. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देयर इज नो गैप ओवर देयर. ठीक है, सो कंसिडर करना है मिक्स हो चुका है. सो 1 2 3 4 5 6. इफ यू आस्क मी, सपोज मुझे देव ने पूछा, देव ने बोला कि सर ये यहां से क्यों काउंटिंग किया, कैन आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर. देव ने ऐसा पूछा, सर कैन आई स्टार्ट काउंटिंग फ्रॉम हियर, मेरी मर्जी यहां से चालू करूं, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Answer is yes, you can start from any end. Why students? Because I cannot see any double bond, I cannot see any functional group, कुछ भी नहीं है. That means कहीं से भी काउंटिंग करे चलेगा. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
Yes students, yes students. So you can start from any end. So now because I have 6 carbons, so look at the name of this compound students. Compound का नाम देखो क्या दिया है मैंने. Compound का नाम मैंने दे दिया cyclohexane. क्या नाम दे दिया, cyclohexane. Have a look at this students, check करो and let me know if you have understood. Raise your hand and let me know if you have understood this students. Cyclohexane. Yes, very good Ashwini. Shreya Sanghvi, Priya Pravansh, okay. Ayush, Adi Purav, Pooja, Diksha Shah, Jenny, Aryan Sawant, very good Aryan. Akshay, Shabash. Sahil is very active now. Rishika, Nidhi Mehta, okay. Almost all hands have come up. Srushti, you are still not replying. Priyanka, Sankhe, Janitya. Okay, next question. Srushti, if you can hear me, this question is for you. You have to tell me name of this compound. Okay, Srushti, name of this compound. Chalo. This is again cyclic structure. Wait, I'll redraw this. I'll draw this again. So this is the structure. You have to tell me name of this structure, Srushti. Please switch on your audio, Srushti. Srushti, please switch on your audio. Okay, ठीक है. Sakshi, please switch on your audio. Sakshi.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
which Srushti?
Okay, we have two Srushti Panchal and there is Srushti A also. Srushti A. What is the complete name? Srushti. If I say Srushti Panchal, then I'll be referring to you. If I say just Srushti, then we have another Srushti over here, Srushti A. She would be replying. Okay. Chalo.
Okay.
Yes, Srushti. Can you hear me, Srushti? Srushti, can you hear me? Acha, chalo. We will go to Srushti Panchal. From one Srushti to another.
Can you
Srushti
please
Panchal.
repeat the question?
Yes, my question is, can you tell me the name of this compound which I have drawn on the screen? On your right hand side. On your right hand side.
Yes. Cyclopentane.
Very good. That is right answer. Cyclopentane is right answer, students. Okay, why? I can start counting from any end. I will prefer the topmost carbon. So 1, this is first carbon, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Understood, students? So this is cyclopentane. So the name of this compound is cyclopentane. Now, students, हमने ये already grade 10 में कर रखा है. Okay, grade 10 में you have understood the names of alkanes. So I hope that is very clear to you. अगर clear नहीं है तो please let me know. Please let me know, students. Is there anybody who wants to understand the name of methane, from methane till decane? So please tell me. So I'll write on the screen. पूरा मैं लिख देता हूँ. पूरा सारे नाम screen पे I'll write. Cyclopentane is the right answer. Okay, students. So now tell me, students, can I see any double bond or triple bond in these two compounds? Can I see any double or triple bond in these two?
No.
I cannot
No.
see, right? So therefore, they are known as saturated hydrocarbons, but cyclic. So because they are cyclic, I'm using the prefix cyclo every time. Understood, students? So they are cyclo,
Yes, sir.
as well as they are saturated. They are cyclic, I should say, as well as they are saturated. I hope this point is clear, students. I hope this point is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Next, I'll go to the unsaturated parts. Okay, now cyclic compound can also be unsaturated. They can also be unsaturated. So raise your hand if you know the answer, students. I'm building this part and I'm building this part. Okay, this is very interesting example. Check. If I have a double bond over here, and if I have a double bond over here, देखो. So now tell me, what will be name of the compound on the left hand side, which has 6 carbons?
Sir,
Raise your
can
hand
I?
if you know the answer. Yes, raise your hand if you know the answer. Students, raise your hand if you know the answer. Yes, who wanted to tell the answer? Okay, Mehak, go ahead, Mehak. Yes, Mehak. Okay, I already have answers in the chat box.
Sir, may I?
Okay, Adi, go ahead, go ahead.
Cyclohexene.
Cyclohexene is right answer. Cyclohexene is right answer. I like the way he stressed on hexene. That is very important, students. You have to recognize the double bond. So cyclohexene, I'll write this in another color, okay? Cyclohexene, I have double bond. If I had triple bond over here, I would have used the word hexyne. Hexyne. Okay, next answer, Pooja Chaurasia. Pooja Chaurasia, the next one.
Yes,
Next
sir.
one.
So
Yes.
it is cyclopentene.
That is right answer again. Cyclopentene. Correct, students? Cyclopentene. No, Adi. There is no need to write unsaturated. Okay, Adi? You can directly...
Sir, on that saturated cyclic.
Oh, yes, definitely. In the title, I'll add unsaturated. And now let us complete the structure. Okay, very well observed, Adi. Cyclopentene. Is this clear, students? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Please let me know. Very good. Now, students, I'll be coming to the naming system also, where I should start numbering from if I have double bond in my carbon chain. Okay, students, but not right now. Abhi nahi. Abhi hum sirf alkanes kar. So I'll not go into the alkenes right. Okay, students, I'll just give you simple examples and we will come back to the naming when we will go into alkene section. Right now we are in alkane section. Okay, so abhi main iska naming aapko nahi sikha raha hu, how to be naming, how to be numbering. Us pe hum nahi jayenge. Is this clear up till now, students? You can take a screenshot if you want. You can take a screenshot if you want. You can take a screenshot if you want. Now, students, now I would like to add over here in the bracket, these examples are non-aromatic. These examples are non-aromatic. These are non-aromatic examples. Unsaturated, I have 2 categories again. Aromatic, non-aromatic. So these are examples of non-aromatic. Okay, students, examples for non-aromatic compounds. I'll give you only one example for aromatic as of now, students. Okay, you will get many examples, don't worry, but abhi ke liye only one example. So I'm deleting this part. Now we are going into aromatic compounds. So if it is cyclic, If it is unsaturated
Excuse me,
also.
sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Tell me.
Your voice is very slow.
Okay. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. I'll repeat myself. I'll repeat myself. So we are done with cyclic, students. In cyclic, we saw saturated and we saw unsaturated. Next, under unsaturated, we further classified unsaturated as aromatic, non-aromatic. Right now on your screen, you had examples of non-aromatic. Now I'm taking you to the example of aromatic, students. Example of aromatic. So let me write down in the title aromatic. And for aromatic, yes, I have many suggestions in my chat box. The perfect example is benzene. Have you seen benzene का structure, students? Benzene का structure देखा है सबने? इस तरह से. So this is benzene. Okay, this is not cyclobenzene. You just have to write benzene. Okay, Pooja? Benzene. That's it. That's it. So right now for aromatic, students, cyclic, unsaturated, aromatic, all these three characteristics are fulfilled by this compound. So this is only one example which I will be giving as of now. In future, you will be studying more compounds of this type. Okay, students? So अभी के लिए ज़्यादा compounds मैं नहीं सिखा रहा हूँ. बाद एक simple खाली benzene हमने सीख लिया. Is chapter में towards the end of the chapter, you have entire chapter, entire section based on this aromatic compounds. So you will study over there. Am I clear up till now, students? Raise your hand. Let me know if you have understood up till now. Take a screenshot quickly. Take a screenshot. I'll go back to the image now. I'll go back to the classification image. Chalo, I'll go back to the image now. So let us understand this once again. Entire picture पूरा वापस से देख लेते हैं, students. Okay, so this is where we are. We have covered all the headings over here, students. Look at the titles. We have covered all the titles as of now. So hydrocarbons can be classified as open and closed. Under open, we have two categories: saturated, unsaturated. Next, both of them can be classified further as branched or unbranched. That is branched or straight chain. Then we came to cyclic also. Cyclic में हमने क्या देखा, students? Cyclic hydrocarbons can be of two types, either saturated or unsaturated. In saturated, we saw cyclohexane, cyclopentane. Then we went with unsaturated. Under unsaturated, we again can have two options: aromatic or non-aromatic. Under aromatic, you saw benzene. Under non-aromatic, you saw cyclohexene, cyclopentene. Similarly, you can also have cyclobutene, cyclopropene. These two examples are also possible. Many examples are possible. We will come to these examples later on in this chapter, students. Okay, am I clear up till now? Am I clear up till now?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Very good. Chalo. We will start with Diksha Shah now. Diksha Shah will revise all this entire classification for us, this entire chart for us. She will explain every concept with examples. And if she wants, I'll keep on writing the example on the screen also, students. That is not at all a problem. If anybody of you do not understand, once she finishes the explanation, you can ask me the question, your doubts. Okay, students? So we will go ahead with Diksha. Yeah, Diksha, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, please begin.
Hydrocarbon is a compound of hydrogen plus carbon. It is divided. It can be classified into open chain and cyclic chain. Open chain is again classified into saturated and unsaturated. The example of saturated open chain is alkane, and open chain unsaturated open chain hydrocarbon example is alkene and alkyne. Alkane has carbon-carbon single bond. Alkene has carbon-carbon double bond, and alkyne has carbon-carbon triple bond. They are classified into straight chain and branch chain. Cyclic hydrocarbon is classified into saturated and unsaturated. Unsaturated hydrocarbon is again classified into aromatic and non-aromatic. Aromatic example benzene, non-aromatic. So done.
Yes, yes, yes. I'll write down the examples also on the screen, students. So over here I have benzene. For non-aromatic, I can have cyclo. I don't have space, so I'll write down cyclohexene. Okay, students, cyclohexene. For this, I'll write over here cyclohexane. Okay, cyclohexane. I hope now you people will understand with examples. Okay, so next would be Pooja Chaurasia. Yes, Pooja, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So hydrocarbon is the compound which contains hydrogen, carbon or carbons. A carbon is defined as only methane, and carbons is butane, pentane, etc. Hydrocarbon are classified into open chain and cyclic. Open chain is classified into saturated and unsaturated. Saturated means carbon-carbon single bond, and alkane is the example of saturated compound of open chain. Unsaturated means carbon-carbon double bond or triple bond. Alkene is the example of carbon-carbon double bond, and alkyne is the example of carbon-carbon triple bond. And saturated and unsaturated compound of open chain are classified into straight and branch chain. Then cyclic. Cyclic is also classified into saturated and unsaturated.
Very good.
And the example of saturated compound is cyclohexene. And unsaturated is further classified into aromatic and non-aromatic. Example of aromatic is benzene, and non-aromatic is cyclohexene or cyclopentene. Done,
Correct.
sir.
Okay. Yes. So I have a doubt over here by Rujita. Rujita wants to again understand what is aromatic and non-aromatic. Okay, Rujita. So first thing is cyclic may you have two categories. Saturated, unsaturated. Okay, saturated, unsaturated. When I say saturated, you should imagine something like this, Rujita. Saturated means what? Cyclic compound to hoga, but there will be no double bonds or triple bonds. Okay, is that understood, Rujita? This is about cyclic and saturated. Is it clear, Rujita? Please confirm me on audio, Rujita. Please confirm me on audio. Is this understood? Is this understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shabash. Now I'll go to unsaturated. जहां पे आपको डाउट है वहां पे जा रहा हूं अब, ठीक है? So unsaturated means what? डबल बॉन्ड्स तो जरूर दिखेंगे मुझे, ठीक है? Now compound को when do I classify a compound as aromatic, students? So aromatic का जो rules होते हैं, we have not taught you the rule now. See, students, this hydrocarbon chapter has 4 parts. Okay, which are those 4 parts? Alkane, alkene, alkyne, aromatic compounds. So aromatic compounds is the last part of this chapter. I can divide this chapter into 4 parts: alkane, alkene, alkyne, aromatic. So when I come to the last part, then we will learn how we classify aromatic compounds, how we identify aromatic compounds. There's one rule for that. It is known as Huckel's rule. ठीक है, क्या नाम है? Huckel's rule. So before learning that rule, you cannot identify aromatic compounds. ठीक है, Rujita? So therefore, right now I've given you only one example, which is fixed example, that is benzene. We have many examples of aromatic also, but how will you identify them? That has not been taught to you right now. Okay, so aromatic means you just have to learn benzene. Is that clear? So benzene will look something like this. It will have 3 alternate double bonds. Alternate double bonds. Is that clear, Ujjuta? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I come to non-aromatic, non-aromatic means what? Right now you can consider just a cyclic ring with only 1 double bond. We also have 2 double bonds. We may have 3 double bonds also. Okay, but right now to just make it simple, I've given you only one example, and that is cyclic, and should also have one double bond. So let me put it over here. This will be cyclohexene, and this is perfect example of unsaturated, first of all, cyclic, unsaturated, non-aromatic. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So only thing is, for unsaturated, you should have at least one double bond in your cyclic ring. If there is only one double bond, it is surely non-aromatic. If it has alternate double bonds, like in case of benzene, it will be aromatic. But as I said, this is not the only condition. There are many conditions where I should study them, and then I should classify a compound as aromatic. So right now you have not understood those concepts. We have not taught you. It is too soon to teach that, or too soon to learn that even. ठीक है? So अभी के लिए खाली यही दो examples learn करना है. We will come back to these examples later on in this chapter itself. Okay, chalo. I will move on to the next student now. Next student is Jenny. Jenny, can you please switch on your audio and explain us this graph, this chart?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let us start, Jenny.
Compound containing hydrogen and carbon is called hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon is classified into two groups, open chain and cyclic chain. In open chain, saturated compound is classified into two, straight and branch chain. For example, in saturated alkane, and in unsaturated, double bond and triple bond. In double bond, for example, alkene, and triple bond, for example, alkyne. In
Very
cyclic
good.
chain, unsaturated compound. In cyclic chain, it is classified into saturated and unsaturated. In saturated,
Example is cyclohexane.
cyclohexane and cyclopentane. In unsaturated, it is classified into aromatic and non-aromatic. In aromatic, it is, for example, benzene, and in non-aromatic, it is cyclohexane, and cyclopentane.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Okay, students. Now what you have to do is you have to note down this entire chart in your book right now. ठीक है, मैंने स्क्रीन पे रखा है. Immediately open your book, notebooks open करो and पूरा flow chart ये बना लो book में, and then we will proceed ahead. Okay, you can also start adding the examples with structure if you want. ठीक है, या फिर आप खाली flow chart बना लो, अपने example बाद में add करना. Okay, पहले आप flow chart बनाओ, then मेरे साथ examples अपन add करें. ठीक है? You can leave space. अभी मैं आपके साथ एक एक करके करवाऊंगा, आपको examples दूंगा स्क्रीन पे. You can start adding them in your flowchart. चलो, quickly draw the flowchart. I'll give you 5 minutes. Quickly draw the flowchart, students, in your notebook. Chalo students, if you're done, just raise your hand.
Sir, done.
Okay. Students, raise your hand if you're done. Let me understand how many students have completed the chart. Yes, students. Should we go ahead? Should we go ahead? You can also take a screenshot. If you're not done, you can take a screenshot. If you're not done, you can take a screenshot, students. Okay, Jyotika, I think has not yet completed. Sakshi, these people have not raised their hands. Hush Bagaria, Aryan, Devanshi, Janitya, Srushti, Akshay, Shreya Sanghvi, Sam, Swati. Srushti Panchal is done. Okay, very good. Yes. Chalo, students, we will move ahead now. Okay. So now we will go to the alkanes, students. Okay, let us go to alkanes. So I'll switch on this camera. Okay, I'll share the screen now. Let's go to this screen. We are into the carbon chain. Can you all see the screen, students? Please confirm me.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. ठीक है. चलो. So this is the somebody's audio was on. Students, make sure that your audio is on mute. Okay. ठीक है. चलो. So I'll restart the screen. Yes. Okay. All of you can see the screen, students. Please confirm me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let us start. So this is our first point. In case of alkane students, we will be looking into this data first. Okay, वापस से एक बार रिवीजन कर लेते हैं. And for all those students जिनको alkane के नाम नहीं पता है, अब पता चल जाएंगे. ठीक है students? So we know all this from our class 10. Class 10 में हमने already ये सब पढ़ रखा है. क्या क्या है इसमें check करो students. You have molecular formula also. You have name of the alkanes also. This is very important. Okay, this is very important. I'll teach you this and I'll immediately go ahead into the naming system. ठीक है, ये देखो check करो. So this is the general molecular formula, students. I hope ये सबको आता है. If in case anywhere आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं सर ये मैंने class 10 में नहीं पढ़ा है, I've not learned this in class 10. You can immediately switch on your audio and let me know. Okay, students, आप audio on करके मुझे बता सकते हो कि sir I have not done this. Please repeat this with me. Okay, students, no problem at all. I will repeat everything with you. Okay. So first thing which I have shown on the screen is molecular formula CnH2n plus. This is how we calculate the molecular formula for alkanes, students. Okay. So let us go ahead. आगे चलते हैं. Let us see. Now, if I have ethane, number of carbons I have written in the first column. Number of carbon is 1. Then the name of the alkane is methane. And methane का molecular formula is CH4. Next, number of carbons 2. And the name of alkane is ethane. Ethane का molecular formula क्या है, students? C2H6. Check करो. Because carbons are 2, therefore hydrogens would be double of 2 plus 2. जितने भी carbons होंगे, आपको hydrogens कैसे पता लगाना है, students? If I know the number of carbons, I can easily calculate the number of hydrogens. Okay, I can easily calculate the number of hydrogens. How? I have to double the number of carbons and I have to add 2 into it. For example, propane has 3 carbons. So it will have how many hydrogens, students? Tell me. It has 3 carbons. So there will be how many hydrogens?
8.
8 is right answer, Akshat. Very good. Double of 3 will be 6. And in that double, you have to add 2. Every time you have to add 2, students. Okay. Carbon number को double करना है and उसमें 2 add कर देना है. Okay. So C3H8. Next, butane, students. Tell me molecular formula for butane.
C4H10.
Very good, Ayush Gupta. C4H10. Shabash. Next, molecular formula for pentane.
C5H12.
C5H12 is right answer. C5H12 is right answer. Very good, Priyanka Sankhe. Next, hexane.
C6H14.
C6H14. Shabash.
C6H14.
Very good. Next, heptane.
C7H16.
Very good. Octane.
C8H18.
H18.
Very good, very good. I can hear Devanshi also. I can hear Mahi also. I can say different students are trying. This is very good. This is very good. You should not always allow the same student to dominate the lecture, students. आप सबको आंसर देना है. ऐसा होना चाहिए कि उसके पहले मैं आंसर दे दूंगा या मैं आंसर दे दूंगी. वैसा जोश होना चाहिए. ठीक है? Okay, next, students. Nonane. Tell me for nonane.
C9H18.
Very good, very good, very good. I can hear multiple voices now. Very good. Next, decane.
C10H22.
Very good. Rishita, Rishika, I can hear your voices also. Very good. Decane is C10H22. Very good, students. Now, molecular formula तो हो गया है ना, students? अब चलते हैं structural formula पे. ठीक है? molecular formula तो मुझे समझ में आ गया. एकदम छोटा सा होता है CH. बस यही दो दिखते हैं. N numbers दिख जाते हैं. Next, we go to structural formula. So this is how I write structural formula. Students, check करो. ये हमने पढ़ाई कर रखा है already, है ना? Methane, ethane, propane, butane. We already know this. हमने class 10 में किया है. But हमको एक बात realize करनी है. We have to understand one thing and we have to remember this forever, that every carbon will have 4 bonds. Every carbon will have 4 bonds. Okay. For example, over here, if I see in case of methane, methane is made up of only 1 carbon. So it should have 4 bonds in it. Which are those 4 bonds? And those 4 bonds are satisfied by which atom, students? कौन उनको satisfy करेगा? कौन उन 4 bonds पे रहेगा?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen. Very good, very good. So hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen. Let us go to ethane now. So ethane में क्या दिया है, students? 2 carbons दिए हैं, and I can see every carbon out of these 2 has 4 bonds coming out of it. Correct, students? Check कर लो आप. So this is, you have to go ahead. This is how you have to draw the structural formula, students. हमको structural formula भी सीखना है. And then इसके बाद अपन चले जाएंगे. We'll go ahead into the naming system. ये सब आपने किया 10th में, students. You can easily see this. If you want, you can take a screenshot. This is how you have to draw structural formula. Okay, students. I hope everyone is clear with this. इसमें किसी को doubt है, किसी को ये नहीं आता है, तो do tell me. I've covered this in the foundation batches also with you. Structural formula for alkanes. Structural formula for alkanes. This is very important. This is basic, students. अगर आपको नहीं आता है, you don't have to worry. You just have to tell me, sir, मुझे नहीं आता है, मुझे सिखा दो. Okay, अक्षत को आता है, but मुझे तो नहीं आता, मुझे प्लीज सिखाओ. प्रवंश को आता है, but मुझे तो नहीं आता. ऐसे you have to be so selfish. Okay, students, एकदम selfish हो जाना है. अगर आपको नहीं आता है, so बिंदास you have to tell me on audio. मैसेज में भी नहीं, ऑडियो पे बोलना है. सर मुझे नहीं आता, मुझे वापस सिखाओ. Okay, students. हाँ चलो, तो अभी यहाँ पे स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला ड्रॉ करके देखते हैं, चलो है ना, वी विल ट्राई। सो मैं कौन सा स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्मूला आपको सिखाना चाहता हूँ, आई वांट यू टू लर्न दिस वन। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ये देखो, सपोज इफ आई हैव टू ड्रॉ हेक्सेन, सो हेक्सेन के लिए मैं कैसे करूंगा स्टूडेंट्स, आई ड्रॉ 6 कार्बन्स फर्स्ट, 1, okay, then 2, then 3, then 4, then suppose I'll draw over here 5 and over here 6. Okay students, so tell me, this carbon students over here, this carbon will have how many hydrogens? Check karo kitne?
3.
Very good, very good. How to calculate, I'll teach you. Okay student, जिसको नहीं आता उसके लिए बता रहा हूँ, how to calculate how many hydrogens. Check karo, how many bonds are there with this carbon? Only one bond I can see. This carbon has only one bond, and that is this one. And I have already told you, every carbon should have how many bonds? Students? 4 bonds. Very good, because carbon is tetravalent. Carbon is tetravalent. All of you switch on your camera, please. Switch on your camera, students. I want to do you an activity. I want all of you to do an activity for me. Chalo, switch on your camera, switch on your camera. जल्दी जल्दी से camera switch on करो. And जैसे मैं बोलूंगा वैसे आपको करना है, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? जब मैं बोलूंगा how many bonds carbon should have, you should show like this, 4 bonds. How many bonds a carbon should have? जल्दी दिखाओ कैमरा में, कैमरा में जल्दी दिखाओ, 4 उंगलियां दिखाओ मुझे. Everyone, everyone, everyone. Very good. Again, how many bonds a carbon should have? How many bonds a carbon should have? Show me the fingers. Very good, very good. Next, how many bond this carbon already has? Show me the finger. Very good, शाबाश. कितने bonds already हैं इस कार्बन के पास? कितने bonds already हैं इस कार्बन के पास? कितने bonds already हैं? 1. It has only 1. Very good, Srushti Panchal. Very good. Okay, shabash. Everyone, students, every one of you, you don't have to use audio. I want to see you performing these activities on camera. Okay, सबको कैमरा ऑन करना है और मुझे ये एक्टिविटी करके दिखानी है स्टूडेंट्स. Okay, I want each one of you to do this. चलो next. So how many bonds are remaining with this carbon, students? कितने bonds बाकी हैं? Show me with the help of fingers. Show me with the help of fingers. Very good, Srushti Panchal, Mahi, Devanshi, Ayush Gupta, Pravansh, Pooja. Shabash. 3 bonds are remaining. So let us draw those 3 bonds. अगर वो 3 bonds पे hydrogens आएंगे तो कितने hydrogens मैं लिख दूं students? I should write 3 hydrogens, right? So I'll write CH3 over here. Done. CH3. Correct? चलो next चलते हैं. This carbon has already how many bonds? How many bonds? How many bonds? How many bonds? Very good. Very good. 2. ऐसा दिखाना है कैमरा में. 2. ठीक है? 2 bonds are already there. How many more bonds do I need? How many more bonds do I need? 2 more. Shabash. 2 more. So that means I will have to put how many hydrogen, students? कितने hydrogens डालने पड़ेंगे? 2. Very good, Ayush Gupta. चलो डाल दिया मैंने. Next students, same compare कर लूं मैं ये वाले कार्बन के लिए. जल्दी लिखता हूं, कितने hydrogens आएंगे? 2. Bonds गिनना है आपको. 2. Very good, शाबाश. चलो let us quickly complete this now. Next. 2. Next students. 2. Again H2. Next.
2.
Next.
3.
3. Because this carbon only has 1 bond, so I will need 3 hydrogens to complete all 4 bonds. Correct? बन गया structure. This is for hexane. This is for hexane, students. Correct है? This is for hexane. And whenever I have, students, जब भी मेरे पास ऐसे structures हैं, always मेरा दिमाग तो वहीं चला जाता है. Always immediately I go to check whether it is straight chain or branch chain. Whether it is straight chain or branch chain. So मैं कैसे check करता हूँ? मुझे आपका नहीं पता, मुझे आपका टेक्निक तो नहीं आता. मेरा क्या टेक्निक है? Always I look at the terminals. How many terminals are there? 1, 2, and 2. Is there any other terminal? No. So this is definitely a
Straight chain.
Straight chain is right answer. Definitely a straight chain. Definitely a straight chain. Next, students. Next. चलो आगे चले जाता हूं मैं. ठीक है? Now I'll move ahead. I'll go back to the white screen now, students. I'll go back to the white screen. I am next moving on to the nomenclature. I'm moving on to the naming system. Okay, students, naming system. So I'll write over here. स्टूडेंट्स ये चेक करो, आपको समझ में आएगा अब इस चैप्टर में क्या पढ़ाई करने वाले हो. ठीक है, हम इस चैप्टर में क्या क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं आपको एक रिकैप दे देता हूँ, एक ओवरव्यू दे देता हूँ. सॉरी, एक ओवरव्यू ले लेते हैं. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी 4 सेगमेंट्स ओवरऑल. स्टूडेंट्स 4 सेगमेंट हम पढ़ाई करने वाले हैं. ठीक है, सो फर्स्ट सेगमेंट वुड बी, आप पूरा पढ़ाई कर लेंगे अल्केन के बारे में. यू गोइंग टू स्टडी एवरीथिंग अबाउट अल्केन. स्टूडेंट्स, we are going to study everything about alkane, so this will take time, at least next, students, I should say next 6 to 7 lectures. आज का भी and next 6 to 7 lectures alkane पे ही होता रहेगा. It is big topic. Okay, chapter एक ही है. chapter का नाम क्या है? Hydrocarbons. But chapter has 4 parts. First part is alkane. Then second part, which will take at least 4 to 5 lectures, will be alkene. कौन सा पार्ट होगा स्टूडेंट्स? एल्कीन. एल्कीन के बाद वी विल गो अहेड विद द नेक्स्ट पार्ट व्हिच इज स्मॉलर पार्ट, छोटा सा पार्ट है, एंड दैट इज अल्काइन. ओके, एंड देन वी विल हैव द लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर व्हिच इज एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स. Aromatic compounds. So these are the 4 parts which we are going to study in this chapter, students. These are the 4 parts which we are going to study in this chapter. Okay, so should I start with the first part? First part से start कर दे, जल्दी बताओ. Should I start with the first part? Let us begin with the first part, students.
Yes.
Alkanes. Let us start with alkanes. Yes. माही, ऋषिता, ऋषिका, मानसी, चरवाड़ी, ज्योतिका, सबने रिप्लाई किया मुझे. Very good. चलो. Each one of you look to be very excited. I'll start with the alkanes, students. So alkanes में सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले उनका नाम चेक कर लेते हैं. How should we call them? है ना? If I know Priyanka Sankhe, I know her by name only. है ना? प्रियंका मैं बोलूंगा प्रियंका सांखे. Yes Sahil, yes Aryan Sawant, yes Akshat, yes Pravansh. These are the names. Yes Pooja, yes Srushti Panchal, Diksha Shah, Adi Purav, Adrita, Nidhi Mehta, Jenny. These are all names. So similarly, alkanes also have names, students. Let us see. So alkanes का nomenclature कैसे हो सकता है, students? How many types of name can they have? ये हमको already पता है. Suppose कोई आपको पूछता है, suppose देवांशी को किसने पूछा, देवांशी, alkanes can have how many types of names? कितने नेमिंग सिस्टम है अल्केन्स के लिए देवांशी? सो देवांशी बोलेगी देयर आर 2 नेमिंग सिस्टम्स. कितने नेमिंग सिस्टम स्टूडेंट्स? 2 नेमिंग सिस्टम्स. वेट पूजा, वेट, आई विल कॉल आउट योर नेम. ठीक है पूजा, आंसर्स के लिए आई विल कॉल आउट योर नेम, देन आपको रिप्लाई करना है. चलो स्टूडेंट्स, सो अल्केन्स के 2 नेमिंग सिस्टम है. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, देयर आर 2 नेमिंग सिस्टम. फर्स्ट नेमिंग सिस्टम कौन सा है? लेट अस चेक. Very good. I already have answers in the chat box. Students, you can keep on replying in the chat box. ठीक है, आप chat box में फटाफट रिप्लाई करते रहो, मुझे आपको टेंशन नहीं लेना है, और मेरे साथ साथ सुनते भी रहो. अगर आपको रिप्लाई करते वक्त ध्यान नहीं हो रहा है, अगर आप फोकस नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो स्टॉप रिप्लाइंग, डू नॉट रिप्लाई. ठीक है, खाली मेरे बातों पे फोकस करो, मुझे आंसर्स देते रहो. You can answer me on audio also, don't worry. So nomenclature students, नामकरण जो करते हैं ना, नामकरण करना, तो अपन नामकरण करने वाले अभी अल्केन्स के. कितने तरीके हैं? फर्स्ट इज कॉमन नेम, है ना, कॉमन नेम स्टूडेंट्स. फर्स्ट वुड बी कॉमन नेमिंग सिस्टम. कॉमन नेम को एक और नाम मैं देता हूं स्टूडेंट्स, ट्रिवियल नेम. ठीक है, इधर आई कॉल इट एज कॉमन नेम और ट्रिवियल नेम, एंड द अदर वन वुड बी आयुपैक नेम और केमिकल नेम. आयुपैक नेम और केमिकल नेम. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, कॉमन नेम हर अल्केन का होगा, इट इज नॉट फॉर श्योर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, every alkane will not have common name. Some alkane will have common name, some alkane might not have common name. जैसे अपन आदि को पूछेंगे, आदि कंप्लीट नेम क्या है, तो आदि का आयुपैक नेम है आदि पूरव. आदि कॉमन नेम क्या है, तो आदि बोलेगा सर मुझे घर पे भी आदि ही बोलते हैं और कोई नाम तो नहीं है मेरा. So that means he doesn't have common name, he just has आयुपैक name. Okay, अक्षत को पूछते हैं, अक्षत, do you have any common name at home?
No, sir.
Okay, so he doesn't have common name, even he has only Ayupak, that is Akshat Chavda, that is his IUPAC name, chemical name, complete name. Okay, let us go to Akshay Bajpayee. Yes, Akshay. What is your IUPAC, Akshay? Tell me your IUPAC name. Akshay. Tell me your IUPAC name, Akshay. Okay, I think Akshay can't hear us. We'll go to Sahil. Sahil. Sahil, tell me your IUPAC name.
Sahil Gangar.
Very good. Tell me your common name.
Sahil.
Okay, so there is no common name because अगर साहिल खाली यूज करना है तो वो तो IUPAC में आ गया. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, चलो आगे बढ़ जाएं. ओके, आगे बढ़ जाएं स्टूडेंट्स. चलो, let us move ahead. Let us move ahead. Let us move ahead. I hope you've taken the screenshot. Now today अपन आज क्या देखने वाले स्टूडेंट्स? आज अपन पढ़ाई करने वाले कॉमन नेम की. ठीक है, पढ़ाई करने वाले हैं कॉमन नेम की. सो नाउ जब भी मुझे पूछा जाता है स्टूडेंट्स, आपने भी देखा होगा, अगर आपको रिस्पेक्टफुली बुलाना है तो मैं कैसे बोलूंगा? आई विल से यस मिस देवांशी, यस मिस महक, हाउ आर यू, मिस्टर अनिकेत, मिस दृष्टि, मिस श्रेया, मिस्टर मीत सुपैदा, मिस ज्योतिका, मिस्टर आर्यन सावंत, मिस्टर आर्यन, वी हैव मिस जनित्या, मिस स्वाति, है ना? ये सारे नाम है हमारे पास और सबको हमने क्या बोला? मिस्टर मिस, मिस्टर मिस. तो इसको क्या बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? इज इट अ पार्ट ऑफ माय नेम? टेल मी, इज इट अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर नेम स्टूडेंट्स? इज इट अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर नेम?
No.
No, it is surely a prefix. Correct? क्या है ये स्टूडेंट्स? Yes, it is a prefix. So alkane ने भी क्या बोला? alkane ने बोला will you please call me. अगर आप जब मुझे कॉमन नेम से बुला रहे हो तो कॉमन नेम में मुझे प्रीफिक्स लगाना जरूर. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स? उसने क्या बोला? मुझे जरूर प्रीफिक्स दे देना. तो अगर प्रीफिक्स आप नहीं दोगे, इफ यू गिव प्रीफिक्स टू हिम, अगर रेस्पेक्टफुली बुलाएंगे ना अपन अल्केन को, प्रीफिक्स के साथ बुलाएंगे हम अल्केन को, तो अल्केन हैप्पी हो जाता है. ठीक है, ये देखो अल्केन इज हैप्पी अगर आप प्रीफिक्स के साथ बुलाओगे तो. अगर आप बोलोगे खाली नाम लो लोग अल्केन का, ठीक है, इफ यू हैव नॉट एडेड प्रीफिक्स, कॉमन नेम की बातें कर रहा हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, सिर्फ कॉमन नेम की बातें कर रहा हूँ, IUPAC नहीं. ठीक है, इफ देयर इज नो प्रीफिक्स देन चेक करो अपने अल्केन को, चेक करो अल्केन को, इज ही हैप्पी? अल्केन हैप्पी है क्या? नो, इज नॉट हैप्पी. क्या बोला उसने? मुझे प्रीफिक्स के साथ ही बुलाना है ना. यस मानसी. अनहैप्पी. ओके, बहुत उदास. ओके, ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स? बहुत बेचारा उदास हो गया.
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Sir, unmute.
So आप पूछोगे सर हाउ टू गिव प्रीफिक्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दीज स्टेप्स. आपको ये स्टेप्स लिखने हैं अपने बुक में अभी के अभी मेरे साथ, एंड ये सारे स्टेप्स आपको फॉलो करने हैं, एंड दैट इज माय गारंटी. आपका मिस्टेक ही नहीं हो सकता कभी भी आपके नेमिंग में. देयर विल बी नो मिस्टेक एट ऑल. ओके, कभी मिस्टेक नहीं हो सकता. चलो तो स्टार्ट कर लें स्टूडेंट्स. सो let us begin. So step 1 for common naming of alkane. Okay students, step 1 for common naming of alkane. What will be step 1? Step 1 hoga, step 1 will be identify whether the carbon chain is straight or branched. Okay students, that is my first step. That is my first step. Is it a straight chain or branch chain? जल्दी जल्दी अपने बुक में लिख लो. This will be your first step students. If you have to identify, if you have to give common name to an alkane, the first thing that you should look in this structure, is it a straight chain or branched alkane? Straight chain alkane है या branched carbon chain है? Okay students. Step 2. Let me come to step 2. Step 2 will be assign a prefix. एक प्रीफिक्स दे दो उसको. प्रीफिक्स दे देना है स्टूडेंट्स. क्या प्रीफिक्स दे देंगे बताओ? क्या प्रीफिक्स दे देंगे? कैसे देंगे? चेक करते हैं. आ जाओ, लेट अस चेक स्टूडेंट्स. सो if it is a straight chain. Okay, students, क्या है वो? Yes, very good, very good. If it is a straight chain, I'm getting answers in the chat box, students. Very good, very good, very good. All of you are replying in the chat box. Very good, students. Okay, उनके लिए जिनको नहीं पता है उनके लिए मैं बता रहा हूँ. If carbon chain is straight chain, then you will decide आप prefix कौन सा दोगे, students? You will use N as your prefix. Okay, आपको कौन सा prefix use करना है? Small letter N. Is this clear, students? If it is straight carbon chain, you will use small letter N as your prefix. ठीक है, नाम के जस्ट पहले N डाल देना है. नाम के जस्ट पहले N डाल देना है. All right, students. नाम के जस्ट पहले N डाल देना है. Next, if you have branched alkane, students, अगर आपके पास branched chain है, then आप कौन सा prefix use करोगे? Can I use N now? If it is branched carbon chain, can I use N, students? Tell me. Please tell me.
No.
Iso.
Very good. Yes, we have other two options, that is iso and neo. ठीक है, that is iso and neo. ठीक है, start करें. ये देखो, iso and neo. So let us write iso over here, and I have neo also. So neo भी मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ, students. Iso and neo. So these are my three options. Only three options. These are the only three prefixes which I can use in alkane. Okay, students? इतना ही है, इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है. Nothing apart from this. Okay? ये मेरा step 2 हो गया. All of you agree with this, students? आपको कब iso use करना है, कब neo, I will teach you. Don't have to worry. You don't have to worry. Okay, students? मैं अभी सिखाऊंगा. Just give me 5 minutes. Understood till now? Step 2 समझ में आया, students? Options समझ में आ गए हमको? Very good. Have I understood all the options? Yes, Pravansh, Rishika, Ritika.
Yes, sir.
All students who are attending this session for the first time. Are you understanding? Simon, what about you? Janitya, Ashwini, Meet Supeda, Shreya Sangvi, Sam, Swati. What about you people? Are you understanding, students? Are you understanding everything? Okay. Shabash. चलो, let us move ahead. Okay, let us move ahead. आगे चले जाते हैं, students. चलो, step 3. I hope you've taken the screenshot also. I am going to step 3. Mehak, are you understanding everything? Mehak Desai,
Yes,
Sahil. Okay, very good, Mehak. Shabash. Keep on replying to me on audio, students. ठीक है, audio पे reply करते रहो मुझे. अगर मैं कोई question पूछता हूँ, immediately reply me on audio. So that will assure me कि yes, the student is understanding everything. Okay, चलो step 3 पे चलते हैं, students. Step 3 is very simple. Step 3. चलो, let me delete this first, and then I'll come to step 3. Now these steps should be there, students. ये step आप कहाँ लिख लोगे पता है? आपके notebook के first page पे जाके stick कर दो. Yeah, write it down in a paper in colorful pattern and stick it on the wall. आपके room में दीवार पे चिपका दो. Every time जब आप बैठोगे आपको वो दिखना चाहिए. All 3 steps. Okay, students, all 3 steps. Always they should be in your eyes. ठीक है, चलो step 3 लिख दो यहाँ पे. So step 3 will be count all the carbons. ब्रैकेट में, ये बहुत स्टूडेंट्स का कंफ्यूजन है, इसलिए मैं ब्रैकेट में लिख रहा हूँ. इंक्लूडिंग, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स बोलते हैं सर ब्रांच को भी इंक्लूड कर लें क्या? अगर ब्रांच हुआ तो शुड आई इंक्लूड ब्रांच आल्सो? ब्रांच वाला कार्बन भी इंक्लूड कर लूं क्या? यस, इंक्लूड योर ब्रांच कार्बन आल्सो. ठीक है, सो काउंट ऑल द कार्बन्स इंक्लूडिंग द ब्रांच. मैं इसको कैसे बोलता हूँ पता है? मैं इसको हमेशा ऐसे बोलता हूँ, सारा कचरा जमा कर, सारा कचरा एक साथ जमा कर लीजिए. ओके, सो सारा कचरा, ये भी लिख दूं, सारा कचरा जमा कर लेना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सारा कचरा जमा कर लेना है, एंड जितना टोटल काउंट है उसका नाम दे देना है. सपोज सारा कचरा जमा किया, मुझे मिला 5 कार्बन्स. सो व्हाट विल बी नेम ऑफ एल्केन स्टूडेंट्स? इफ आई गेट 5 कार्बन्स, व्हाट विल बी नेम ऑफ एल्केन? पेंटेन, राइट? पेंटेन. शाबाश. अगर सारा कचरा जमा किया, इफ आई गेट 7 कार्बन्स, what will be name of alkene?
Heptane.
सारा कचरा जमा किया,
Heptane.
मुझे मिला, हाँ सारा कचरा जमा कर लिया, मुझे मिला 4 कार्बन्स. What will be name of alkane?
Butane. Butane.
Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Please take a screenshot, students. So we are done with 3 steps. इतने ही steps हैं. Please take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot. Done, students. Now I'll show you how to identify iso, neo and n. ठीक है students? Example के साथ बताता हूँ and then we will move on to examples. Examples उसके बाद कर लेंगे. ठीक है, आपको मजा आएगा. ये देखो students. So when do I say it is n? When do I say it is iso? When do I say it is neo? ठीक है. So n कब use करना है, iso कब use करना है and neo कब use करना है. ठीक है, चलो स्टार्ट करें. सो आई यूज n व्हेन इट इज अ स्ट्रेट चेन. तो ये तो हम सबको समझ में आ गया है ना स्टूडेंट्स, इसका एग्जांपल देने की जरूरत मुझे नहीं.
Yes, sir.
दिस इज अंडरस्टूड कि यस इफ इट इज स्ट्रेट चेन आई कैन यूज n. सो सपोज स्टूडेंट्स सारे कार्बन आर इन स्ट्रेट चेन एंड इट इज हैविंग 7 कार्बन्स. सो द नेम ऑफ द एल्केन विल बी n-heptane. ठीक है, n-heptane. Similarly, if I have 5 carbons in my compound, in my alkane, if I have 5 carbons, all of them are in straight line, I will use n-pentane. Very good, Devanshi. N-pentane. Is that clear, students? Very good, Jyotika. Very good, Jyotika. Shabash. Now, what about iso, students? In case of iso, condition number one is I should have one methyl group, one methyl branch, students. CH3 means what? Methyl. ठीक है, so bracket में लिख देता हूँ methyl. So I should have one methyl branch on which carbon, students? On which carbon?
Second.
Very good. On second or second last carbon. Okay, students? On second or second last carbon. Is this understood? That means on second carbon from any end. On second carbon from any end, if there is one methyl branch, it will be iso. ठीक है, अब एग्जांपल भी लेते हैं थोड़ी देर में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है. इफ यू वांट आई राइट एग्जांपल ओवर हियर. ये चेक करो. एक मिनट, मैं पहले लिख देता हूँ iso neo सबके कंडीशंस एंड देन वी विल टेक अप द एग्जांपल्स. डोंट वरी. Okay, don't worry, students. Next, for neo, I should have 2 CH3 groups. Okay, 2 CH3, that is 2 methyl branches should be there. And again, on which carbon of the main chain?
Second.
Very good. Same second carbon. Okay, students. Second or second last. Second or second last carbon. Second or second last carbon. Is this understood? Please take a screenshot, students. Is this understood? Please take a screenshot, take a screenshot, take a screenshot. Take a screenshot, students. चलो एग्जाम्पल ले लें. अब एग्जाम्पल ले लें students. Should I take up the examples now? Should I take up the examples now? ठीक है, all 3 steps are there with you. Now I'll write down the structures. You have to tell me names. Okay, students? Name लेंगे. So initially 3-4 structures I'll solve with you, and then you have to help me with the names. ठीक है students, आपको मुझे help करना पड़ेगा with the names. ठीक है, start करता हूँ. चलो. So this is my first structure. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, and CH3. Raise your hand if you know the answer, students. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Aryan Sawant, very good. Akshay Bajpayee, Ayush Gupta, Mansi Chalwadi, Rishita Rishika, Adi Purav, Priyanka Sankhe, Pooja Chaurasia, Akshay, Rujita Shinde, Jyotika, Adrita, very good Adrita, Shreya Sangvi, yes. Shushti Panchal, Mahi, Devanshi, Mehek Desai, Sahil. Okay, who else? Pravansh, very good Pravansh. What about you, Akshat? Swati is also ready. Okay. Okay, Mansi Chalwadi, Pooja. Few students have already replied in the chat box, and all your answers are correct. Answers are correct, students. Okay, one answer wrong. Sakshi, your answer is wrong. Sakshi, your answer is wrong. There is confirm accounting error. Okay, Sakshi, confirm counting error. Yes, I will go ahead with Adrita. Adrita, Can you please switch on your audio, Adrita? Adrita, can you
Yes,
please
sir.
switch? Yes, please explain us the name one by one, step manner.
Sir, it will be isopentane.
Isopentane is wrong, Adrita. Isopentane is wrong. Iso is correct, but pentane is wrong. Please count all the carbons. सारा कचरा जमा कर लेना, अद्रिता, याद है? Do the counting again. Do the counting again, Adrita. You will get it. Don't worry. How many carbons are there, Adrita? Total, how many carbons are there?
Isohexane.
Shabash. That is right answer. Very good, Adrita. That is right answer. Chalo, tell me, why do you say it is iso, Adrita? Why do you say it is iso?
Sir, because one methyl group is on the second last carbon.
Very good, shabash. So first thing, students, always पहला काम आपको क्या करना है? Identify if it is a straight chain or branch chain. Adrita, tell me, step one, step wise जाना है ना? तो step one क्या था, Adrita? What was our step one?
Find count all the carbon chain.
नहीं, counting नहीं करनी.
Identify it is straight or branch.
Superb, very good answer. Identify whether it is straight chain or branch chain. So it is a straight or branch, Adrita? Is it a straight chain or branch chain?
Branch chain.
Very good. As soon as it is branch chain, students, first thing that we will do is we will box the longest continuous possible carbon chain. Okay, so longest continuous chain जो है उसको पहले box कर दो. ये हमने काम कर दिया. Now, never ever your answer can go wrong. So please follow this step. आपको identify करना है. If it is straight, then also box बना दो. Branched है, then also box बना दो. अब देखो कैसे आपका आंसर राइट जाता है. Next, जो बाहर है उसको अपन ब्रांच को सर्कल में डाल देंगे, है ना? Yes, Adrita. चलो, go to second step. Adrita, step 2 क्या है? Adrita, what is step 2?
Assign the prefix.
Very good. So which of these three I can select and tell me reason
Iso.
also. Iso, very good. Reason?
Because one methyl group is on the second last carbon.
Shabash, very nicely said, Adrita. Very nicely said. So I'll write iso over here, students. Iso. Okay, I don't have space, so I'll write just above the compound. Okay, now step 3, Adrita. This is where you did mistake. Step 3 पे आ जाओ.
Yes, sir. I have to count the carbon from the left
Including?
side.
Okay. From any
Including the
side.
branch one. Yes.
Very good.
From end.
So in common naming, students, we can start counting from any end. Doesn't matter. You can start counting from any end. In common, only in common. ठीक है? In आयु पैक में ऐसा नहीं करना है. Common naming में कहीं से भी आपको सारा कचरा जमा कर लेना है, including branch. So we have 6 carbons. Therefore, she has said, उसने क्या बोल दिया नाम? Isohexane. Please take a screenshot, students. Everyone, how many of you got this correct? Raise your hand and let me see. Raise your hand. Let me see. How many of you got this correct? How many of you got this correct, students? Let me see. Adi Purav, Diksha Shah, Pravansh, Mahi, Yash Verma, Janetya, Drishti. Very good, Sam. Shabash. Ashwini, got this correct? Ashwini, Yash Verma. Yash Verma, please confirm me. Meet Supeda. Meet Supeda. Very good, shabash. Jenny, what about you? Jenny, Adi Purav, क्या mistake हो गया? Please tell me, Adi. क्या mistake हुआ?
Sir, I not got that last step number 3.
Very good. That means counting में mistake हो गया. क्या लिखा तेरे हिसाब से आंसर क्या आया था? Isopentane?
Sir, I write N exit.
Okay, that is wrong. N नहीं आएगा ना. हमारे पास टोटल एक ब्रांच भी है, नियो वाला ब्रांच है ना. So therefore iso आएगा. ठीक है? अनिकेत पवार, what about you, अनिकेत? अनिकेत पवार रिप्लाई नहीं कर रहा है. Simon, what about you? Dev Shah, what about you? Students, reply करो, otherwise आपको subject में confidence कैसे आएगा? You will have to reply to me. Dev Shah. Nidhi, I'm sure must have got this correct. Nidhi Mehta, did you get it correct? या mistake हुआ? निधि
Yes, sir.
मेहता? Okay, good, good. ठीक है. चलो students, let me go to the next structure. है ना? Next structure पे जाता हूँ. Check करते हैं इसका किस किसको आता है correct answer. Okay, so this is my next question, students. CH2, CH2. I'm sorry. हाँ. CH3 and sorry. वापस से बनाता हूँ मैं. CH3, CH3, CH3. Yes, raise your hand if you know the answer, students. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Follow all the steps. Step 1, step 2, step 3. I guarantee you, you cannot go wrong if you follow my all the steps. You cannot go wrong if you follow all the steps. There is no chance you'll go wrong if you follow all the steps. Yes, Pravansh. Pravansh will explain me. Pravansh, go.
Yes, sir. It's a branched
Step
chain.
1, Pravansh. Yes, sir. Pravansh, can you repeat, please?
It's a branched chain.
Very good. It's a
Branch
branch
chain,
chain. It's a branch
Sorry,
chain. Very good. Very good. So if it is branch chain, should we draw the box first, Pravansh? Box for the longest continuous carbon chain.
Yes.
Okay, let us draw the box. Where should I start drawing the box from? Guide me, please.
From the left side.
Sorry.
From the left side.
Okay. Longest chain, or is this the longest chain? Which one, Pravansh? Red one
The
or
red
yellow
one.
one?
The red one.
Okay, okay. Now, students, both of them, any of these can be your longest chain. Okay, both of them are correct. Okay, both of them are correct. Okay, because both of them are having 3 carbons, maximum 3 carbons ही है. तो प्रवांश ने कौन सा लिया? For his ease, if you want, you can take a screenshot. By the way, आप अपने आसानी के लिए प्रवांश ने स्टेटो 1 ले लिया. चलो प्रवांश, yes, let's go ahead. Next thing, what I will do after I've drawn the box, प्रवांश.
Assign a prefix.
Okay, okay, assign a prefix. But before that, I will draw this circle. Okay, Pravansh? So that ये
Okay.
बेचारा branch जो है, we will encircle it. Okay, now let us assign the prefix. Yes, Pravansh. Decide which one of these 3 you will take. Which one out of these 3 prefixes you will select? This is not at a straight chain, so therefore N is gone out of picture, right? I'll go to
Yes.
iso and neo. So which one you will select, Pravansh?
Neo.
Neo. Why? Are there 2 methyl branches? Do we have 2 methyl branches?
Yes.
Do we have 2 methyl branches? No. This is your straight chain, Pravansh. Branch is the compound which is lying outside this box. Understood, Pravansh? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
your branch, Pravansh. ये देखो. This is your branch. Therefore, it is important to circle the branch. So how many branches can you see in this compound, Pravansh? Tell me.
1.
Only 1. Understood? This is your main chain. जो box हमने बनाया ना, that is your main chain. And anything outside this box will be your branch. So this is my branch. Only 1 branch. And that too is on which carbon number, Pravansh? Tell me. On the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Which carbon?
The first carbon.
This
Sorry,
branch
the second.
is
The second carbon.
very good. Second. So I have 1 methyl branch. Very good. And I have it on second carbon. Both the conditions are fulfilled for iso, and therefore, students, we will go ahead with iso. So the name of this compound will be, Pravansh, tell me. Iso. Third step, step 3, step 3, step 3, step 3. Count all the carbons, including branch. How many carbons are there total?
4.
4. Very good, Pravansh. So what would be the name of alkene? Alkene which has 4 carbons. Alkene which has 4 carbons is called
Isobutane.
isobutane is right answer. It is called butane. Okay, it is called butane. So we will write isobutane. Okay, students, this is correct answer. Pravansh, did you get this?
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? Very good. Isobutane, students, please take a screenshot. Isobutane. Okay, isobutane. Chalo, now I want students to raise their hand if you are not yet clear. अगर आपको अभी भी डाउट है तो you have to raise your hand. अगर आपको अभी भी डाउट है, अभी भी कुछ नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, you have to raise your hand. You have to raise your hand. Please raise your hand. If you still have any doubt, please raise your hand. We will go one by one. ठीक है? Yes, Aryan Sawant. What is your doubt? Please ask me your doubt, Aryan. Aryan Sawant. Okay. Meet Subeda, Ayush Gupta, Devanshi. Okay, Devanshi, ask me your doubt first.
Sir, when we consider this as a straight chain, CH3 and CH, so we get two methyls.
Okay, just a second. You're speaking about this as your main chain. Let me draw this. You want this as your main chain?
Yes, sir. So we are getting one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll
Understood.
get only one. If in case you stop over here, Devanshi, ye dekho, if you consider this as your main chain, then you will have two methyl branches. But this is wrong. Why this is wrong? This cannot be a main chain because we cannot stop over here in between. You will have to end the journey. So if you've started from year 1, 2, you have to either go upwards or downwards and end the journey. ठीक है? Okay, very good. ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स आपको अपने डाउट्स पूछ लेने ताकि आपको कॉन्फिडेंस और अच्छा हो जाएगा. Sahil and Ayush Gupta, please ask me your doubts.
Can you explain Neo one again?
Okay, okay, very good. ठीक है, चलो Neo का एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. So Neo समझ में आ जाएगा आयुष को. Okay, let us take example of Neo students. Neo का एग्जांपल लेता हूं मैं. ये देखो CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3 and CH3. So Ayush, switch on your audio. Step by step.
Yes, sir.
चलो बताओ step 1 क्या होता है?
We want
Step
to
1.
figure out that it is a branch or a straight.
Very good. So is it a branch or
Yes,
is it
sir.
a straight?
It is a branch.
Very good. Let us identify the straight continuous carbon chain, longest chain possible without taking a reverse turn. कौन सा chain है वो? Longest
From
possible.
left to upward or downward, both are written.
Shabash, very good, very good, very well done, Ayush, very well done. So this is my one option, students. He has very nicely identified it. This is my one option. Okay, this is my second option. Ye dekho, students. This is my second option. Do I have third option also, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, but it is not
ये
branch.
देखो, ये देखो. चलेगा, ये देखो, ये हो गया मेरे तीन options. ये तीनों correct हैं, students. All these three options are correct. You can take any of these. You can take any of these three. कोई भी आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. Okay, any three. चलो, कौन सा सिलेक्ट करूं मैं? Ayush, you tell me which one you want. Okay, yellow one. ठीक है. So let me delete the other chains. Other boxes मैंने delete कर दिए. Okay, this is his main chain. No problem at all. As soon as main chain box dot कर दिया, students, जो बाहर बैठे हैं box से बाहर, उनको हम क्या करेंगे? What I'll do with them?
Circle them.
Circle. Very good. Let us circle them. So first circle, second circle. Is this understood? हो गया students? आपका आधा काम यही खत्म हो गया. ठीक है? आधा काम अपना यही खत्म हो गया. Any doubt up till now, students? Please ask me your doubt.
No, sir.
Okay. चलो Ayush. Step 2, Ayush. Step
Assign a
2.
prefix.
Okay, so let us see the prefixes now because this is branch chain, so n is out of question. N तो गया है ना. We will come to iso and neo. ऐसे systematic pattern में जाना है. Iso and neo. चलो check करो. Which one would you go ahead with?
It is Neo.
Neo. Why? Because can I see two branches?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Are they on the second carbon? Are they on the second carbon?
Yes.
Yes, they are on the second carbon. Let us check. Let us confirm. कंफर्म कर लेते हैं. इस एंड से 1 है ना, 2 3 and 4. यस, सेकंड कार्बन पे आ रहा है. आप बोलोगे सर नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैंने तो काउंटिंग यहां से किया 1 2 3 4. सेकंड लास्ट पे तो आ रहा है ना. सेकंड पे आए या सेकंड लास्ट पे आए चलेगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो आई विल गो अहेड विद नियो. सो टेल मी आयुष, नियो तो मैंने यूज कर लिया. चलो नियो मैंने लिख दिया. स्टेप 3 देखो, स्टेप 3, स्टेप
Count the carbons. Hexane, neohexane.
शाबाश, नियोहेक्सेन इज राइट आंसर। टोटल कार्बन, सारा कचरा जो जमा था, सारा कचरा काउंट कर लिया मैंने, एंड मेरे पास स्पेस नहीं है, देयरफॉर मैं स्टूडेंट्स नीचे लिख रहा हूं। द आंसर इज नियोहेक्सेन। आंसर इज नियोहेक्सेन। हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट दिस करेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स? रेज योर हैंड, raise your hand. How many of you got this correct? Very good, Akshat, Mahi, Adrita. Okay, I rarely see Adrita making a mistake, by the way. Very good, Adrita. Nidhi Mehta also, shabash. Very good, Akshay. Swati, Swati, you have to be more active on audio also. ठीक है Swati? Jyotika, shabash.
Yes.
Jyotika also. Yes, Jyotika, very good. Priyanka, Sanket, Jenny.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, बोलो प्रियंका।
Sir, I have a doubt.
हाँ, पूछो पूछो।
Sir, 1 second. Sir, why can't we do the longest carbon chain like we can do like this also? No?
हाँ, tell me.
अरे
कहाँ से कहाँ जाना है प्रियंका? You can draw on the screen.
not able.
Wait.
Like we can still consider all
Now
the.
you can, Priyanka. Now you can try. Try करो एक बार अब.
From here I'll start. Anyways, because I am not taking U-turn. No?
Okay, wait. I'll help you. Okay, I'll draw for you. Priyanka, tell me, from which carbon number should I start?
1 second. Sir.
You can see the numbers also on the carbons.
Sir, from first terminal.
That is 1, na? The carbon which I have
Yes.
labeled as 1. Okay, ठीक है.
Yes.
I'll start from here. ठीक है. So where should I go? I've come till third
Then
carbon.
we can take upside because we are not taking U-turn. No? Like,
Correct. So I've come till here.
then again we can go in the right side because this is also not a U-turn.
Right side we cannot go. ये देखो प्रियंका, ये देखो, चेक करते हैं, ठीक है? वापस से बताता हूँ तुमको. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I've come till here. Now, do you want me to come to this carbon now? इसके पास आना है आपको?
नहीं.
तो फिर किसके पास जाना है? That's it. चेन तो यही बंद हो जाएगा ना?
बट सर ये तो अभी हमने सिंगल ऐसा मतलब लिया, इसीलिए अगर हम राउंड करते हैं तो फिर होता है मतलब.
नहीं होगा. कैसे होगा? After coming till fourth carbon, if I have to go to red carbon or to the blue carbon, ये देखो, यही 2 बचे मेरे, राइट है प्रियंका? I'm left with only 2 carbons now. हाँ, अभी इन दोनों के पास आने के लिए मुझे रिटर्न तो आना ही पड़ेगा ना. ये देखो, I will have to come back from fourth carbon से रिटर्न आके I can go till here, or else रिटर्न आके मुझे यहाँ जा सकता हूँ. रिटर्न तो आना ही पड़ेगा. So जो थर्ड एंड फोर्थ कार्बन के बीच में जो रास्ता है, उसी रास्ते से मुझे वापस नीचे आना पड़ेगा. समझ में आई बात?
Yes.
So therefore it is a U-turn. Understood?
Sir,
ये
can
देखो.
you
हाँ, मैं समझा.
something
ये
is
देखो
wrong actually. Yeah.
प्रियंका, I understood. ये देखो, I understood what you are meaning to. ये देखो, आपका मतलब ये है ना? ये can we count this as box? Right?
Yes.
So that is not the correct approach. Why? You are drawing a box over here. We don't have to draw a box. You have to first complete your journey. So you have to imagine. प्रियंका, आपको कैसे imagine करना है पता है? आप एक्टिवा चला रहे हो suppose, और आपकी एक्टिवा कहाँ पे स्टार्ट हो गई? ये देखो, आपने एक्टिवा स्टार्ट की यहाँ से, ठीक है? किसी भी एंड से लेते हैं, किसी भी एंड से ले लो. चलो, सपोज मैं इस एंड से आता हूँ. चलो, यहाँ से मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ एक्टिवा. So 1, 2, 3, 4. एक तो ये रास्ता मेरा पॉसिबल है. नेक्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है प्रियंका? सेम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करता हूँ, ठीक है? 1, 2. इस बार मैं क्या करूंगा? यहाँ आ जाऊंगा. 3. That's it. Now यहाँ से मैं रिटर्न नहीं जा सकता प्रियंका. Why? अगर मैं रिटर्न गया तो मैं तो यू टर्न मार रहा हूँ ना, समझ में आ गई बात?
Yes.
Similarly यहाँ से प्रियंका, if I start from here, ये देखो 1 2 3, now थर्ड कार्बन पे खड़े हो जाओ प्रियंका. You have 3 options. You can go straight, you can go upwards, you can go downwards. 3 options आ गए आपके पास. Is it clear? आप
Yes.
एक भी ऑप्शन लिया, कोई भी ऑप्शन लिया तो you cannot come backwards now. If I go straight, suppose now I cannot come back and go to 4th also. I cannot come back, go to 5th also. ऐसे नहीं possible. Okay, this is what I mean when I.
But that this is happening because we are taking a single line. When we try to do by
So that is what you have to take. You have to take single line only. You have to take single line only. That is the rule. Understood, Priyanka?
yes.
That is the exact rule. Matlab, see, if you want to draw boxes, you can draw any box. You know, you can include all the carbons in a single box. We just have to draw the shapes, and all the carbons will come under that single box, will come inside that single box. But that is not what we have to do. You have to count the carbons. You have to see the longest continuous possible carbon chain. You have to see ki if you can reach from one end to the other end, and can you count all maximum carbons, I should say. So देखो, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो प्रियंका. Your confusion can be driven away by this method also. ये देखो, this is one end, this is second end, this is third end, this is fourth end. Correct है प्रियंका? Correct है?
Yes, yes.
जब भी 2 end से ऊपर end आया ना, confirm branched. If it is more than 2 ends, confirm branch chain. समझ में आ गई बात?
Yes.
Okay, I hope doubt is clear. Okay, students. So that's it for today. Time is up. So I will have to end this session over here. In the next session, we will do many examples. So आज आपको ये पूरा notes बनाना है, आपके घर पे बैठ के अच्छे से notes बना लो, and आपके foundation batches में जाके check करो आपने क्या practice किया था. ठीक है? You can practice over there. Draw the notes properly. And मैंने कुछ examples भी आज को आपको बताए हैं, वो सारे examples solve करने का try करो. Solve all those examples and attend the next session with me. Over there we will do many examples. बहुत सारे examples करेंगे, आपका पूरा confidence अच्छा हो जाए. ठीक है? Okay, students. So thank you very much. Homework for you is to make the notes on all the content that we have covered till. That is the homework. Okay, students. And if any one of you can record a video on this, if you can record a video on this, ठीक है, N का, ISO का, NEO का एक एग्जांपल लेकर स्टार्ट से एंड तक कि हाइड्रोकार्बन्स क्या होते हैं, these are the categories, ये क्लासिफिकेशन है. Then nomenclature 2 टाइप का होता है, common name, IUPAC name, and then common name में I have these many examples. Common naming में prefix होता है, these are the 3 steps. Then N कब बोलने का, ISO कब बोलने का, NEO कब बोलने का. If you can record a video on this with yourself in the video and properly chart use करके, या आप whiteboard, blackboard जो भी use करना है use करो, paper use करो, sketch pen use करो, it would be the best. You can send that video to me by evening. Okay, students, you can do that also. All right, so bye bye from my side. Thank you very much. Take a very good care of yourself.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.